Hey class, Matt Barr here, Mr. Peacock's class, period 4. I'm doing my section on number 1 of chapter 8, exponential equations. Alright, we can start off with some notes here. You can write those down, you can pause it and whatnot. Alright, first problem is y equals x to the negative 1 minus 2. So you're going to start off with calculating 2x to the negative 2 over it, alright, and then equals 1.5, okay, and then you just do the same for the negative 1, so you're doing 2 over negative 1, and it's just 1/2, same thing, and then same thing for the next one too, comes out to 3. And the next one comes out to 5. Alright. And when you're graphing this, you gotta wait for the second number. Alright, so we're gonna plot it. I go negative 2 over negative 2, and we're going up 1.5, so it's right about there. Alright. And then the next one's negative 1. And negative 1 is up even more past that. Alright. And then we go to 1. We go positive 1, and that's up 3, so 1, 2, 3. And 2, you're going up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to draw your line across. Alright. And you just build arrow that way. Alright. That's problem 1. Alright. Next problem. Starting off with it, alright? So, okay, so you're plotting 2 over 3 to the x, okay? I'm going to start off with that. And negative 2 comes out to 5.062. Next one is 3.375, and then for 0 it is 2.25, and the last one is 1.5. Alright, so on this we're going to plot it at a 2, 1, okay, and on, you gotta watch for the negative 2, alright, and then we go 0, 1.5, and then negative 1 would be 3.3, right about there, and the last one for negative 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so right about there is where it's going to end up at, and I'm sorry, this is wrong, this is right about there, and this is also wrong, which is that right there, so just let those go. Alright, you draw your line across where it's not going to pass, and you just draw a nice line right through there. Alright, so that's problem 2. Alright, go on to the next one. The next one here is 1/2 x, alright? 1/2 x is a little bit difficult, but we can make it work. So you just plug it in for 1/2 x for negative 2. Oh, we don't have a negative 2. Oh, let's start with negative 1. So that calculated out, and it comes out to 2. Alright. And the next one is 0, and that is just 1 right there. And 1/2 is going to be 1/2 right there, and then 2 turns out to 1/4. Alright, so when we graph it here, it is going to be negative 1, 2, okay, 0, 1, and 1, 1/2, and 2, 1/4. Give a smaller one. Don't forget your line across. Arrows. And it's just going to come down right there. Barely hitting it. Alright. So that's your third problem there. Alright, and then your last problem here is 2x plus 1 and 2x plus 1 there. Alright, so you plug it in for any other problem that you would do. Start off with -2, that equals 1, 5. And then -1 is going to come out to 1, 5. 1 comes out to 3. And the last one comes out to 5. Alright. Now remember, on this, you have this right here. You got to move it up 1 first before you even start, okay? Alright, so let's graph it. -2, 1, right there. And then -1 is about 1.5 there. Go over 1, and we'll go 1, 2, 3. And then this one is 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright? Now since you moved it up, you gotta draw your lines across there. Alright? Then when you come down, I'm sorry, there we go. It's gonna hit right there. Alright? Alright. There's your 4 problems. Thank you, and have a good night. Say bye, Max.